Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I'm also a huge fan of subscription boxes. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag and my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for July. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help us as creators. Thank you so much. This month's theme for our Ipsy is the Passport to Glow. Whether you're jetting off this summer or savoring a staycation, make every day feel like an escape with a new product stash that'll whisk you away to paradise, no matter where in the world you are. And then the Glam Bag, the OG Glam Bag, is 5 deluxe beauty samples. We get to choose one product as subscribers. I do also get my paid for bag. This is worth up to $70 and it is $14 a month. So I will dive into this one first. I do also like to mention the packaging. I just think it's so aesthetically beautiful. I love the ombre effect. I love it. And I always say that Ipsy and BoxyCharm, in my opinion, give you the best bang for your buck, especially if you are a newbie to makeup, you're trying, you want to try different brands, you're trying to build a collection, things like that. All right, I'm not sure if everybody's going to get this bag. This is a bag we've gotten previously. And then typically in your own bag, when you open up this card, it's going to give you pricing and details about the products in the bag. And first up, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Periwinkle Pop Soft Sculpting Blush. Next up is the Frank Body Glycolic Body Scrub. Break up with unwanted bumps thanks to AHA and niacinamide blend. Next up is one of my OG Holy Grail favorites that I've purchased multiple times. This is the Tarte Fake Awake, and it is a nude colored eyeliner. Very creamy, doesn't tug or anything like that, but not so creamy that it gunks in the waterline. It lasts a long time on me. I really like it, and I'm happy to see that. Next up is the Katano Beauty, the Hydrating Lip Glaze. And then last up in the regular OG Ipsy Glam Bag is the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I think overall, pretty good assortment. I definitely think it was a little bit more kind of makeup forward, and then we did get a couple of skincare products. I love getting skincare, so that's okay with me. Then we have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. This is 5 full-size beauty products. We as subscribers get to choose 3 of those products. It is worth up to $200 monthly, and it is only $30 per month. First up is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst 2-in-1 Everyday Lip Balm and Mask. Next up is the Goldfaden MD Solution Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment with Retinol and Avocado Oil. This says Dr. Goldfaden's Overnight Creamy Facial Moisturizer redefines skin feel and improves the appearance of photo-damaged aging skin, leaving skin looking supple, feeling plump, and appearing hydrated. Next up is the Lith UHD Brow Sculpt Brow Shaping Wax with a sculpting brush. Next up, we have a cute little brush set from LaRousse. And we've gotten quite a bit of LaRousse brushes. They are fantastic quality. I like the cute little pink pouch. And the brushes are also pink, which happens to be my favorite color, pink and yellow. So, oh my gosh. And that is like my favorite color of pink as well. Very excited about that. And y'all, last but not freaking least, is a palette. I like to see a palette. I say this every single month. First of all, it should be Ipsy Charm. They could have collectively come together as Ipsy Charm. That would have been a perfect name, in my opinion. And I feel like I miss that in old school BoxyCharm, we got a palette in every single box. So in our Boxy, we got the palette. I love that we also got some eyeshadow brushes. I feel like that makes it super convenient. We got some skincare, we got lip care, and then we also got our brows. I like the selection. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts for this month. Not my all-time favorite, but I really do like the assortment. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation, you guys. I hope you'll consider subscribing and join my beauty family. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.